The Tumbleweed Can-O-Worms is designed for indoor or outdoor use, and it's Tumbleweed's worm farm option for smaller families who generate maybe 1 to 2 kilograms per week of kitchen scraps and other organic materials such as shredded paper or cardboard. Easy to set up with strong and reliable Australian design, manufactured from 100% recycled plastic, the Can-O-Worms is a great way to teach your children about sustainable waste management practice whilst also generating some wonderful organic fertiliser for your garden. The assembly of the Can-O-Worms is easy. The first step is to attach the legs to the collector tray, which catches the liquid that drains through your worm farm. The collector tray is ventilated to allow aeration through your worm farm. The second step is to insert the drip-free tap and fasten it on by screwing it onto the tap nut. The third step is to stack your working tray into the collector tray, like this. You're now ready to add the worms to this working tray, but remember the worms are sold separately. For even more comprehensive instructions, watch our full worm farm video on the website or follow the instruction manual that's included with your can of worms. You'll find our products in the home garden aisle of your local Bunnings store. Happy worm farming!